Hello guys, it's Aryan here, and before we go on with the review, I would like to say a few words in tribute of Chadwick Boseman. So as you guys may be knowing, few days back, sadly after a 4-year fight against cancer, Chadwick Boseman passed away. And although we will not be seeing him anymore, he shall always be there in our hearts and in our memories. Rest in peace, Chad. Wakanda forever. Okay, now let's get on with the review. So, this time it's on the Black Panther and, and the so let's take a closer look at his details. Before we move on to the details, I just wanted to mention this. He has two clawed palms with his claws, and just pull this off and this in just like that, and it looks nice. So all can see they are quite sharp too. I'll just, for the sake of this review, I'll just put this palm back on, and let's take a closer look at his details. Let's start off with the face. So as all can see, there's silver right there like that goes over his eyes. This will silver in the eyes, and that's not actually Wakandian text. That's just some pattern I made. Don't really know what that is. Anyways, it gives the illusion of text though when it's kept at a distance. You can see then the body. I know there's some paint rub over there. That's because most of the body is pre-painted. Only few joints and stuff like that have been painted with paint. That's been painted with paint. I can actually see the white. I have to paint that again. Yeah, there's not a lot. I mean, the suit is really complicated that way, but I skipped on a few details. They were just too complicated, but I added some really nice details like this and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go over his possibility. So he has a ball joint in his neck. Yeah, ball joint because I went back to that old design with the ball and the socket down there. So can get all sorts of range from that. He can turn his head 360, look down till there, look up till there. Then the arms move 360. They're on ball joints in there, so you can get some slight butterfly movement. Biceps are on swivels, double hinged elbows there. Then these hinges, the way you basically turn them, like you can get this type of focus. Yeah, can get this type of hinge, or if you can get this rolling motion too. It depends as per the way you configure the hinge. And then there's a new torso design here. So it's this crunch like this. So you can get it to crunch down right there till there, back till there, and it turns 360 at the waist. No paint rub over there. That's another nice thing about this joint. And new joints in the legs too. I mention that actually. Let's just, I'm so sorry I didn't do this video in segments, but as I'll see, there are two this. So basically, what happens is this one's hollow right here, and this one's solid. So this goes in this, and then wait. Wow, I designed this and I don't know how it works. So this leg goes basically in this hole right here, just like that. That's not supposed to happen. Okay, it goes right there, and then this one right in there. It's very tight. Why did I remove it? I started to regret that. I'll just put it back and come back. Okay, I put it back and now it's fine. It's very tight, very tight. So the legs can, now if you move this leg, both the legs will move together. So you have to move them separate. You have to catch one leg when you're moving the other, and the legs can kick out straight till there somewhere, and this paint rub on that hinge. Then since this is a new design, you can get full splits, so complete splits, like then thigh rotation, double hinges in the knee, and swoosh will like this, heel to the butt. Then you get a hinge in the foot and a pivot in the foot. So you can get some really cool poses with this guy. Actually, I had a lot of fun. I just finished painting this guy and I just played around with him like hell. Because I don't own a Black Panther figure and I really love Black Panther. uh, Black Panther doesn't need fish, he has claws. Let's remove this. Yeah, so overall I really like this figure, the way it turned out. And yeah, it's something that I just made. So actually there are 6 more figures pending on this channel, but as all I've seen the start of the channel, you all know why I've put this video out first before them. And yeah, so overall I really like the way this figure turned out. It's awesome. This thing's going on my shelf. Look at it, man. Freaking cool. So I'll end this video here because I know you guys don't like long videos. I'll try to add some pictures at the end, so if I don't, I'm sorry. If I do, enjoy them. Alright, bye guys, I'll see you in the next video.